As we celebrate KARBI ANGLONG Day, let us pay our respect and tribute to our famous leader, and let us continue strive for the fulfillment of their dreams and for the inspiration of the people of KARBI ANGLOng. There is creation of autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need autonomous state under Article 2 for our region.
Jersey number 9, Gangpong Ronald Singh. Jersey number 10, Chanambang Ronald Singh. Jersey number 14, Kangapong Langgamba Singh. Jersey number 19, Probin Hangenbang. Jersey number 22, Ningpoja Momoja Singh, captain of the team. Jersey number 23, Khomgram Beckham Moirancha. Jersey number 26, Surchandra Chandan Singh. Substitute are jersey number 2, Loitomba Kisan Singh. Jersey number 6, Rajkumar Robin. Jersey number 7, Danmai. Jersey number 11, Manikchand. Jersey number 15, Premjit. Jersey number 21, Torres. Jersey number 27, Vikas. Jersey number 28, Angelo. Jersey number 29, Gelson. Jersey number 33, goalkeeper Charan. Team officials are team coach Abu Osama Singh, team manager Chanambam Ranjit Singh. Bhuna FC a player to be approved. Mohan, jersey number 7. Naveen, jersey number 7. Mohan, jersey number 4. Pushpan, jersey number 9. Hitesh, Kedian, jersey number 10. Abhimanyu Hasna, jersey number 12. Laisram Ibunga Agam Salam, jersey number 15. Promumban Tokhan, jersey number 22. Girish Kumar, jersey number 30. Amit Kumar, jersey number 31, goalkeeper and captain of the team. Mohammad Mansoor Ahmed, jersey number 32. Ravi Kumar, jersey number 40. Substitute are Ansit Linda, Mohammad Salam, Salman, Kachan Marat, Rakesh Dara, Mohammad Rehan, Diphu and Salman, goalkeeper. Namit P. Jain, Mehul Singh, Somenjit Das, Mas Alam. Officials are team coach Sujit Chatterjee, team manager Amardev. Officials of this match, referee Vivek Chetri, assistant referee Bhapikas, assistant referee Manoj Kumar Sahu, court official Kimson Lindo. Match commissioner Rajiv Chaudhary, referee assistant Piyush Biswas. Right, hello, let's go over ke pathu in samjin pe ning parang nonan pusi kado bahasa tu English lo. Pardon.
We'll bring you the lineups for both teams. There's KASA FC in their yellow kit. It'll be very interesting to see how they line up. They take the field for the first time. As we gotten a look at Bhuna FC, they are a very tough team to break down. Going forward, they have a lot of weapons to try and exploit the defenses. The two skippers. I rarely see this as the goalkeeper takes the captain's armband, but it shows you the leadership that he possesses. Amit for Bhuna FC and Momocha for KASA FC, the two skippers. With the referee, Bibek Chetri, two assistant referees, Bapi Das and Manoj Kumar Sahu. The fourth official for this afternoon will be Lingdom Nongam. Toss complete and should be all but ready. Between the two teams here, starting 11, Salam Singh, keeper for Keinou FC. We have Rakpur of Clinton, Jepes, Kabiraj and Beckham. Keeper Momocha, the number 22 with the midfield of Rabin, Suchandra, Ronald and Langamba. Number 9, leaded lone centre forward. For Bhuna FC, head coach Ashujit Chatterjee, one with Amit Kumar in goal. We have Ravi, Ahmed, Mohan, and the midfield really packed this time. Girish, Kachan, Hitesh, Kutan, and Naveen supporting the lone forward Kushwant. Keinou Library and Sports Association. The ease of commentary will be referred to as KASA FC. Just a reminder that it is 5 groups here. The All India Football Federation's I-League 3. Group A sees Satirur. 2 games played with 4. They've been the standard bearers, have been off and running for the start of the first half. Again, immediate press to try to get onto the front foot here. Here's the skipper, Momocha, looks to spread the ball towards the right-hand side. Play it forward, the driving run there, goes for the reverse pass. It's a very smooth move here. Getting 3 members involved with it, and it's a good defensive action there. Was diligent, had to stay at his front post. That'll give KASA FC some nice encouragement. 30 seconds on the clock. Already stitching a few passes in the final third. Bhuna FC have shown that they're a very competent side defensively. Have to be mindful of the conditions as well, as the ball does bobble around. Take extra care with the passing. Now on the right hand side, looks to drive at the defender, goes for the strike from distance, and Amit Kumar just having a bit of a spill there, but he covered the front post and he gets that away from a corner. Bright and early start here from KASA FC. Down the right hand side, had no hesitation in his mind to just cut in on his favoured left foot. Unleashed a lovely strike there, Prabin. Good alert keeping there. Had to make sure that his front post was covered. Corner kick by that left foot again. Good height on it. Keeper decides to stay. It's headed away. Second ball falls to KASA, and the skipper decides to have a punt from distance. Out for a goal kick. Important for Bhuna FC to really settle in here. Been under the caution the first 90 seconds or so. Switch out onto the right hand side, looking for the 1-2 again. He's closed down immediately. Lovely work down the right hand side to go on the outside, but I think he's just run out of pitch there. Did get the ball in the back of the net, but the ball had well gone on. Again, it's quick play there from Naveen, looking to just venture into the box. Just to pick a pass forward, right idea. Last touch coming off his own teammate. KASA FC can once again build from the back here. Very interesting to see both teams really trying to pack that midfield. It's almost a 4-5-1 formation. Solitary forward in terms of the width provided. That'll be the very crucial aspect here, as Angamba looks to spread a lovely ball on the left-hand side. Look to put the ball in first time. He gets the rebound. Now goes for the cross across. That's a good, intelligent work down the defensive line. Looks for the cutback immediately, and it was very well defended. Just losing his balance. Looks to put in first time. It was very well defended by Ravi, who had his angles covered. And the warning signs are there from both flanks here for KASA FC. Ronald will take this free kick. Look to just chip that towards the front or the back post, depending on what has been worked on the training pitch. Amit has organized his defense as skipper and goalkeeper. Now looks to just clip the ball into the box. Keeper comes and he gets a good enough palm on it and gets it away from the danger area. Good commanding goalkeeping there, just claiming those high crosses, taking the pressure off his defense. Good whip on the cross there. Looked to get a couple of his players at the back post to try and attack it. The goalkeeper had other ideas. Here's Japes. Good play there. Japes just looking to move that away. Now the switch of play is on. Good defending, very diligently done there. Oh, this is a big chance there, but the keeper once again quickly off his line. And an immediate release as well. Trying to get his team up the park. Cushion header not reaching his teammate. Bhuna FC on the charge down the right hand side. Looks for the 1-2. Good defending there. Stops it at the source. Again, KASA FC looking to build, and you can see how wide the fullbacks are. It allows them to stretch the pitch if they decide to press. Play through the midfield area now. And first balls have been won by the players in white. KASA FC looking to inject some pace down the left-hand side. This is excellent work there from Langamba. Looking for the 1-2 again. It's a strong challenge. Looked like all ball, but did catch him. He feels the effect of the challenge. It was strong play. In the eyes of the referee, a fair challenge. Really hope he's okay to continue as they're going to mount an attack down the left-hand side. Let's have a look here. Just steps across. I think the ball might have just gone away from him. On the follow-through, might have just picked up one of the knots at the back of his calf, maybe. Langamba playing on the left-hand side as Prabin, who's being on the opposite side, has already tested the keeper from distance. Look to do the same here. Back to Amit here. Skipper for this afternoon as Bhuna FC will look for the first victory of this Group D. Played a very intense game against Jaipur Elite FC. It ended up 1-1. Both teams had really left it all out on the pitch here and have to do it again. They are to progress in this group here. To take on the chest, looks to immediately lay it off. Arnold looks to spread the play onto the right-hand side. And inviting a couple of challenges. It's good work there from Prabin. I think Bhuna FC have already identified Prabin on the right-hand side is going to be one of the danger men. So as soon as he gets the ball, you'll see a couple of players immediately looking to converge. Strong challenge there. Wins the ball back, and I think by unfair means. Just spoke about the immediate attention that Prabin is going to be getting as soon as he gets the ball. Try and not allow him to turn. As soon as he turns, they know that they'll be on the back foot where he'll have options to pass. Go for goal himself. 7.5 minutes on the clock. Keepers, what a good ball that is, but it just finds too much on it. Try and reaches, but in terms of intent, that was the right idea to just spread the pitch. Try and get Langamba on the attack on the left-hand side. And they're winning the second balls with great regularity. Here's the skipper Momocha, just plays it back. Puts it immediately. It's a lovely line-breaking pass. Here's Ronald. Again, great closing down there, not giving them any time to settle on the ball. Have to recycle again, and he wins the ball. Very good interception. Beats the passing lane, but he gives the ball away straight away, and KASA FC can build once again. This is Momocha with a lovely spread down the right-hand side. Robin has done magnificently well to keep the ball in play, but he gives the ball in an attempt to find his teammate. This is a lone battle by his lonesome, but he's won that magnificently well. Now trying to go around the outside, he's immediately crowded out. Have to wait for support, and the defense does its job. Strong challenge. Make sure his progress was halted. And there's a really nice ebb and flow to this game. Beautiful pass, but he can't wait that perfectly, and it's out for a goal kick. Much better this from Bhuna FC. And the thread there passes into the final third for the first time in this game. Lovely touch on the outside. Looks for the switch of play. Oh, it's a bit of a misjudgment there, and it's going to be 1-0. The communication breakdown from Bhuna FC has given Langamba the easiest of task of slotting into an empty net, and it's 1-0 to KASA FC. It looked like a harmless back pass, which was not met with by the skipper and his centre half. Let's have a look here. It could have been easily dealt with. The back time header straight into the path of Langamba, who will not have an easier goal to score. He'll take that, gets his team up and running in this match. Good work into the channel. Played at the back and now spreads the pass into midfield. That's a lovely bit of play. Now going around the outside. Waiting for support. Pravin looks to put the ball into the box. It's an inviting pass and the keeper fumbles and he couldn't get the header on target. Got enough on it. Make it a difficult header at the far stick, and Langamba's got a goal already. He's hungry for more. Lovely work down the right-hand side there from Pravin. Picks his head up, sees his wing partner. Looks to feed him immediately here. Now played into midfield. Mocha asking his midfield players to play along. They do that right away. This is lovely keeping of the ball here. Taking a lead. Have to be mindful that Bhuna FC look to respond as quickly as possible. Good defending there. Just shrugs him off the challenge. With this ball there from Prabin once again. He had his centre forward and his winger waiting in line. It looks a very difficult chance to try and angle your header. It's sailing over your shoulder. Played into midfield, lovely flick up. And it's a very easy interception. They've managed to win the ball back. Now Momocha assessing options. Plays that into midfield. Again, this is a good key ball exercise here. Get the lead and now look to get the team to chase shadows there. He's done very well to hold off the challenge, but immediately crowded out. Bhuna FC can try and play their way out the back, and they're done with real composure, and it's a lovely spread. Immediate control there from Naveen, but he gives the ball away, but he's centre forward doing very well to draw the foul. Excellent work there to keep the ball, push the team up the pitch. Free kick here. Bhuna FC will look to get a few bodies forward and test the back line via the set piece. Ball into the box, it's headed away. Composed play there from Kushman Logs to put the ball into the box. It's a very powerful header away. Good distance on it, and he's got his team on the counter-attack there. Good strength in midfield. Outstanding battle there, and he gets a bit of help. Naveen does magnificently well to keep the ball. He was hounded there. To clip the ball into the box. It's a good brave header. He gets that away. It will be a corner. Chance here for Bhuna FC. Try and respond. Corner kick. Comes into the box. Keeper's fumbled. His defense bails him out there. It was decisive work there, but he needed to get a stronger grip on it. Gave an opportunity. Bhuna FC looking to hit back quickly in this first half. I mean, will take the throw in. This comes in, it's headed off the front post. Take on the chest from Girish, but it's well defended. He invites the foul. Will be a free kick. side there, but it's been very good defending here from KASA FC, just making sure that they're dealing with the threat at the source while maintaining a threat on the counter-attack. Prabin leads a pass forward to Gongong Singh, who's done very well to lay it off. First time ball into the box. It's cleared away. Said that on many occasions. Here's Momocha. That's it on the left-hand side. Agamba with a cross comes into the box. He's taken a lovely first touch, but it just gets away from him. Good defending there. Make sure he didn't get a clean contact on it and immediately closed him down. This is brilliant play here. Keeping them on their toes. One goal is when the ball. That's when the task gets very difficult. Here's Momocha, who's pulling strings here in the midfield area. Good work there from Singh, just holding the ball, getting his team up the pitch together. That's a lovely spread out on the right-hand side. Lays it off to his fullback. Smart turn. On the left foot, clips in a delicious pass to make it 2-0. But the offside flag has come to the aid. That is magnificent work there from Gongong Singh. He's done so well. Kept the ball alive by shielding the pass and then gotten such a dangerous area to meet the cross. But the offside flag, a couple of occasions, has bailed out Bhuna FC. Strange giveaway here. He looks to run by himself. That's outstanding pace. He's taken it away from the attacker there, and it's a big, big opportunity. He just ran out of pitch. Had to get that first touch towards goal, but he took it away. Now once again, KASA FC below the back, just inviting the press forward. Spread on the right hand side, inviting the press. Here's Prabin. Look very lively and a lovely clip pass into the box. Keeper should be favourite. Has gathered that. In the early era, should be long past the rear view mirror right now. Forward and try and find the way back into this contest. Coach for KASA FC will be pleased with the way it's gone for his team so far. Seen that KARBI Anglong Morning Star FC have set the standard in this group. Only team so far to register a win in this Group D. As Momocha immediately picks his head up. Standing pass, good defending. It's a really good battle there. Shoulder to shoulder, won by the defender. Gets that back now, looks to just clip the ball, but he's done the right thing. Looking to play out the back, and they've done so magnificently well. He's drawn the foul. Referee waves play on, and Bhuna FC have done very well to keep the ball under duress. He's picked his head up to find his winger. The chase is on here. The defender should win this. And just watch that go out for a play. Throw in. "20 minutes on the clock. KASA FC taking the lead from Langamba, just pouncing really. A defensive error at the back has been the only difference in terms of the scoreline, but I think the possession stats, that's great work there from the centre forward to hold off the challenge. Smooth move here. He had to play that to feet, rather played that to space. And a lot of nearly moments here for KASA FC as they build from back to front. It will be important as soon as you know that the consistency on the ground. Find the pass to feet rather than into space. It gets a bit unpredictable. Good defending off the front post. And that's on so many occasions. KASA FC now playing with their back four shape. Here's Clinton. Subs bench there for KASA FC will definitely play a huge part as the game progresses. Fresh legs in the middle of the park, even on those wings, are so valuable. Again, the centre forward play is just exquisite here. The touch and movement really is putting on a clinic on how to play that number 9 role. Ronald Singh, brilliant. Again, keep an eye on how his movement, his touch, the way he holds off the challenges. Prabin with a strike from distance. The keeper will deal with that with relative ease. Again, it's really positive play. Looks like there will be an early substitution here. Very rarely see that halfway through the first half. Will be interesting to see whether it's a tactical substitution or because of an injury. Rehan will be introduced shortly by the looks of it, but we'll continue that as it happens, as the ball harmlessly rolls into the hands of the goalkeeper. On the right hand side, good work there to track the run, and he just made sure he got a toe on the ball. He can recover the second ball, taking no chances at the back. Ooh, bit of a high boot there. He had eyes for the ball, but there was a stooping header to try and win the ball. Looks okay to continue, which is the good news there. Absolutely no malice, as both players had eyes on the ball, but just in different approaches. Defender has to be careful. There's the substitution has been confirmed. Rehan will enter the fray. And see which areas he picks up on the pitch. It is Girish who will make way. There's a confirmation of the yellow card there for Clinton. It's a definite high boot and no real complaints there from the centre half. KASA FC has picked up the ball now in midfield. Lovely work around the outside. There's the dangerous Langamba, the goal scorer. Chops in on his right foot, looks to take on another extra man there. Very diligent defending, you have to say. He's kept his eyes on the ball. It's a clean challenge as well. Calmly done, looking to play out the back. He sniffs the danger there. He just invited the challenge. Took a chance, and referee had spotted the infringement. It's a foul and it's in a very dangerous area. Good work there from Surchandra. He knew that they wanted to play out the back, used the pressing take and really pounced on that loose touch. He's got his team a free kick in a very dangerous area now, edge of the box. It's a bit central. Will take a lot of skill to try and bend that into either corner. First remit will be to get this on target. Looks like the skipper has pulled rank here, the free kick. Amit will have to rearrange his wall, make sure that the angles are sorted out here. Here's Momocha. It's Momocha! It's just hit the crossbar. My goodness! That is a magnificent free kick. The danger still not cleared. Down the right-hand side. Prabin lays it off. And they're looking for the right moment to whip this ball into this box. Here's Jeps. Ball in. Headed away. What a brilliant free kick that was from the skipper. The keeper stood and admired. Oh, that's a heavy challenge. It's a late one as well. How about this for a free kick? Bring you that. This was the effort from Prabin on that left foot. Have to watch that free kick again. It was picture perfect. That would have been a captain's goal. Look at this, up and over the wall. Keeper, no chance, just watched and hoped as it thundered against his crossbar. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. There is a huge warning sign there for Bhuna FC. Really struggling to trouble the KASA keeper so far. They go 2-0 down. Matter will change that. All Singh has just picked up a knock at the side of his jaw there. It is Beckham, the number 23. Sanatan, the keeper, has had not too much to do in this first half. He'll have to be diligent and when called upon will need to make the saves. Lovely burst towards the center. The pass is on down the right-hand side. Wasn't in his path, so he had to check back. Now down the right-hand side. Here's Prabin. Lays it off. Edge of the box. Decides against shooting. Goes around the outside. Cross comes in. Very good defending. Again, strong challenge. Made sure that he didn't get the cross into the box. Again, a lot of nearly moments here for KASA FC. Cross comes in. Amit should be favourite and it's an easy gather. All into the box on the right hand side. Good defending there. Made sure that he halted the progress as both teams will. Looks like a drinks break here in the first half. Still about 17 minutes plus stoppage time still to be played in this first half. A lot of football. KASA FC taking the lead through Langamba and had a big opportunity courtesy the keeper, the captain rather, with the free kick. The crossbar to keep the score at 1-0. Approaching the final 15 minutes of the first half with the drinks break completed. Jips with the throw in. It's KASA FC doing what's really familiar to them, and they've been doing so very well in that first half. Progressed the ball on multiple occasions with relative ease. As Prabin looks for a pass. I think that's done magnificently well to get across. Big opportunity to make it 2-0, and Amit does a magnificent job to close down the space. What a pass that was, and for Ronald Singh to identify that he was offside and let it go. That first touch is so good because he goes across the defender. He can't make any contact on him. And then he's one-on-one with the goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper winning that battle quickly off his line there, Amit, and he shuts down the angle. Again, it's electrifying work here for KASA FC going forward. They've come the closest for the next goal in this game. They had two different types of opportunities, and it's just a matter of time by the looks of it. Here's Ronald Singh with a clever back heel. Led the line with real distinction. I mean, really given the team the base in that attacking third. They know that if they fire the ball at him, more chances that it will stick. They have a centre forward who's capable of that. It's a very strong challenge, and he's won the ball out. Does extremely well to evade a couple of challenges, but the touch just takes it away from him, and it will be a goal into the hands of the goalkeeper. Again, so many nearly moments in this match. Scoreline shows 1-0, but have been moments, there have been opportunities. The switch of play, he's done very well to keep it now. Here's Gibbs. Again, no surprises with Ronald Singh getting the ball to stick. Gets his left back involved here. The players joining the attack. This is Patient. Here's Langamba. Gives it to Ronald Singh, who's done very well to hold off the challenge and lays it off. Looks like the offside flag has been raised there. Looks like Langamba just didn't hold his run at the right time, but again, it's really good centre forward play. Have a centre forward that plays for the team first. He does make a difference in how you want to progress the ball in those final third areas. Yes, Clinton, who had picked up a yellow card. Have to be careful when those moments do arrive. That's another clever back heel there. Gets his pass forward. Another smooth move here. Just trying to get the ball away from his feet. The keeper comes. They managed to clear. Again, havoc in the box here for Bhuna FC, but they managed to clear. Again, the keeper taking decisive action. Good cutback. The touch was good. Just got it away from him. Look how immediately keeper comes out. Again, either side of the keeper with those two opportunities would have made such a difference there. And Prabin, another opportunity to make it 2-1. That's a clever pass for the Trivela, but the defending there read that perfectly. Here's Mamocha. Here's it to Clinton, advancing forward in a more central position. Clips a lovely pass down the left-hand side. He picks it up immediately, Ajibs. The touch comes off the defender, will be a corner. Pushwan does well to come across, get enough on it. Brilliant work there from the left-back, Jibs. Adding an outlet, allowing his left winger to get into the box. He makes those kind of runs. And Amit with two crucial saves. The 2-on-1 situation here at the far stick. Cross comes into the box. It's a clever header, but he can't direct that on target. So always drifting away. It's the first real opportunity we've seen. Ronald Singh front of goal. He's done a lot of the work to involve his other teammates, but that one, a difficult chance. Had to reach away from it to just get that on target. Then we're just calmly looking to progress the ball. Final 10 minutes plus added on time left in this first half. It's a clever reverse pass. It's got support. Looking for the 1-2. Singh looks to lay it off. Just to keep the ball in the dangerous area. Prabin looks to shoot from distance. It's a good block. Good work. Oh, that's magnificent feet. Wow. And looks to play an immediate pass, but not on the same wavelength as the right winger there. Excellent skill there. Middle of the park, just to evade a couple of challenges. Lovely turn. Now on the right hand side. To the reverse, it's a clever ball. Cross comes into the box. It's a good header out. Again, that front post has been defended with real distinction on many occasions. Just picks his head up and tries to give him this chase, and the ball is spun beautifully. Trying to make it 1-1, and he can't find the finish. That is a big opportunity there to get his team level. The first touch was good as well from Mohan. What a ball that was. Did everything right there, but he tried to catch his keeper at the front post. Was an opportunity to try and open up towards the far post, but decided to catch his keeper there. But very big opportunity there for Bhuna FC. And that will be a bit of encouragement, a shot in the arm. Know that they can open up this defense, who's been very stingy so far. Here's Ronald, picks his head up. Singh does able to try and hold off the challenge. First ball and the second ball won there by the Bhuna FC player. Lovely threaded pass, but it's good defending. He's held him off well, but he's a chance here to square the pass. The defender should be favoured, and they've managed to clear at the second attempt. Again, nearly moments there. Difficult to defend, like you're off balance, facing your own goal to get enough on the clearance to get it away from the danger area. And very well on the outside to just cut the ball across. And they've been heavily outnumbered in the box. One at the big opportunity. It's the first time really he broke away from the defense. Here's Bhuna FC on the move down the right hand side. Immediately looks to find Mohan. Good defending, just hacks that away. Oh, how about that for a first touch? Goodness, it's brilliant play, and the pass is accurate. Here's Prabin, manages to hold off the challenge. Plays into midfield. Here's the skipper Momocha. And takes his time, looks to find the right option. That is a clever pass. Brilliant pass. That is good defending there from Kushwan. Just leans into him. That play from Momocha really was sumptuous. Give and go. And then on the left foot as well. Really has been the midfield general for his team. Mohan trying to hold off the challenge. He's gotten very little joy from the centre halves. Japes plays that into midfield. Good turn away. On the left-hand side, takes an extra touch to go around the defender. Looks to cut the ball across. Hits the side netting. And it's such a good bit of pling play there from Langamba. Takes an extra touch. Just make sure. Ran out of room and balance. Final 5 minutes of the first half. In the KASA Stadium here in Diphu, playing host to the Group D games, the I-League 3. As things stand, KASA FC will be on 3 points with KARBI Anglong Morningstar FC as the two teams wins on the board. It's easier said than done. There's just so much football. There's a big chance here. Again, a first touch getting away from him. That's good defending there from Jaipur. He just cuts across. and make sure he followed the run. Again, nearly moments. Bhuna FC are growing into that attacking third, really. Into the final 5 minutes. And opt for a short corner here. Try and get a 2-on-1 situation. Good guess is he will look to put the ball into the box. Corner comes in, headed away, takes a touch off the ref there, and he'll surrender possession to KASA FC. Should be able to defend this, and he does that well. And looking to play out the back, Kushwant drawing the press. Move the ball on the right hand side. Again, pressing has been immaculate at times. Win the ball in those areas, just try and get as many teammates forward. Try and launch, keep the pressure on the opposition half as into the final 2.5 minutes of the first half. Rangamba's goal, the difference between the two sides. Lovely layoff. What a ball this is, wrapped into his first foot. Prabin with the strike, and it's a good block. Didn't allow the ball to travel even a couple of yards, immediately on his case. Here's Momocha. Goes for a shot from distance and always traveling wide. I've taken a touch off the defender. And Momocha has shown that he's got dynamite in his boots. Prepared to pull the trigger from distance. Corner kick will be taken by Prabin. And good air on the ball. Headed away. There's Japes, lays it off. Mochas down the right hand side. This is very patient play here. Gives it back to Prabin. Nice shift on his left foot. Cross comes into the box. The keeper comes. Almost doesn't get there. The finish is completed. And Ronald Singh has gotten his reward for tireless centre forward play. He was brave. He stuck to his guns and made sure his header was on target. And KASA FC have doubled their lead just before half time. Wonderful ball there from Prabin. Shaped on his left foot. Immediately picks his head up. And the header, magnificent. He has worked tirelessly for his team. He's played some magnificent passes. And now he gets the recognition via that goal. Holds his line very well as well. Knew that the keeper was coming. Brave header on target. And with a minute left in this first half, KASA FC have doubled their advantage. KASA FC will be joint top. KARBI Anglong Morningstar FC as it stands, with both teams +2 goal difference, and as it stands 3 points for KASA FC, but plenty of football still to go. Bhuna FC have 2 minutes of added on time. Can they find a way to try and half this deficit? Be all to do in the second half, as KASA FC will be having it as comfortable as possible, to as long as they have this 2-goal cushion. They can pop the ball around, invite the press, and find space as tired legs will inevitably come and play in the second half. Good defensive work, goes around the outside. That's a very clever touch. KASA FC doing the right thing here, and the spread of play is good, but the defense is very well there. Now into midfield. Made the run. Good defending there. Keinou exactly had to cut the pass out. Good reading of the play from the back. Gets his team on the front foot. Here's the goal scorer, Ronald Singh. On that right foot. Looks for a brilliant pass. Couldn't find Prabin there. That is excellent defending. Again, the centre forward play is first class. Saw the run there from his right winger Prabin and slid in. Perfect pass. But for an important defensive action. It's another corner as we're into the final 30 seconds of the first half. The goal now surely will make it a mountain to climb in the second half. Bhuna FC defenders have to be switched on here. Surchandra with the ball into the box. Good defensive work there. The keeper making sure that he got a strong fist to it, but it's another corner. Might be the final action of the first half. Again, there's good pace and height on the corner. Just hoping that one of your teammates can get the header on target. From those close ranges, it makes it difficult for the keeper. Here's Ronald. Into the box, keeper decides to stay at home. Tries to keep the ball in play. That's an outstanding first touch. Tries to go around the outside. Immediately closed down. Again, it's really to hold off the challenge, waiting for support. Forced to go back, first time ball, immediately closed down. And the referee blows the half-time whistle here. It's been a highly competitive game of football. But it is KASA FC with a 2-goal advantage and have had a couple of opportunities to even extend it to even 3 and 4. Bhuna FC have shown that they can hang for most parts. They need to be a bit more clinical in the final third. It's half-time here at the KASA Stadium here in Diphu, Assam. Keinou Library Sports Association FC 2, Bhuna Football Club 0. Angamba Singh opening the scoring with a defensive mix-up. Gangong Singh to make it 2-0. As you can see, the statistics has been in favor of KASA FC with the possession, the shots on target, and the corner count all in their favor. More importantly, they take a 2-goal at the break here. It's KASA FC 2, Bhuna FC 0.
TV nang tung ke soke ta ke tang thulu bojo.
Nang ka chai ka ni phan chi sik pomot.
Ni hai ki bai adung along voting duk nang hang dung kong voting duk kali lobon sami jor panan ke tong ni aya Pininga senggang ke mehir june nang farman doang kami Sirai tanan ko Topunon ko Tala Munit kya beta Oh sami o arnika nang sama na thene ke inda chota nang ke richo ki benji de piliyar ni lo kang hon itum ka chi pa chorelo sengkan in koira troxy artaan nang lilu non
and let us continue strive for the fulfillment of their dreams and for the inspiration of the people of KARBI ANGLONG. There is creation of the autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need autonomous state under Article 244 of India.
And we're back underway for the start of the second half. KASA FC look to have made a couple of substitutions. We will bring you the confirmation of those halftime substitutions, but we're all but set for the start of the second half here. And we're off and running for the start of the second half. It will be Bhuna FC in their white kit, kicking things off from right to left as they chase a 2-goal deficit. KASA FC looking once again to really build out. Here's the goal scorer and centre forward, Ronald Singh. He's had a very productive first half. Bhuna defenders will need to keep a closer eye on him. Every time they look to build their attacks through him. Here he is once again looking to run the channel. It's good defending there from Ravi. Header forward, but it's another throw in. Bhuna FC, they had a couple of half chances towards the end of the first half that should have given them a bit of encouragement. Let's look to find a way through this KASA FC defense. They've been very resolute and, more importantly, very calm at those critical moments. This Japes, who's had a very adventurous first half, had many opportunities from that left-back situation to venture forward. Now the throw in into the box. Good hold-up play. Trying to manufacture a bit of room for the strike, and it's straight at the keeper. Once again, Ronald Singh, the danger man. So good at holding off the challenges. Good nimble footwork as well, and unleashing a fierce drive. Straight at the keeper, though. Again, another early warning sign here for Bhuna FC. Quick pass there. While eventually reaching the attacker. Good defending. Takes no chances there. Cross comes into the box. Keeper should be favoured, and it's a comfortable gather. Over 2 minutes play in the first half. Much more of the same as it did with KASA FC. More of the ball and the 2-0 lead. Pretty comfortable so far, but never know in football. It takes us a moment for the game to really flip on its head. And the fullbacks looking to help in the build-up play. Interesting to see Beckham playing almost as an auxiliary midfielder, inverting and trying to add that extra body in midfield. This is just perfect here from KASA FC, just inviting the press and moving through the gears. Has he beaten the offside trap? No, he hasn't. And that was a really smooth move here. It's patient, it's accurate. Trying to get as many players involved as possible. So on the first half, Pravin having a lot of joy down the right-hand side. Pass into midfield. Here's Tutang. He'll look to try and dictate from midfield now. We played the first game as a left-back, who had a very good game as well, but now trusted to defend the central areas. Nice step over, but look at the number of yellow shirts in the box, and the keeper once again. Beautifully done. Anticipated the danger. Safe gather. Here's Beckham advancing forward now. It's a traditional right back. There's the opportunity, a bit of a half chance there. Tries to find his teammate. Would have been a difficult one though. And Sanathon, a very quiet first half. When called upon, has done exactly what his team needed to do. This is just sport football here. Very calmly done. Here's Pravin. Oh, he looks to hold off the challenge there. Took a bit of a risk, but won nothing but ball there, Khushwant. That's a smashing pass. Can't keep that under control though. Here's Beckham. On that left foot, a lovely spread. Switching the flank here, waiting for support. Decided to go with the cross himself. It's a good header. Danger still not cleared. Beckham playing in a more central role now. It's very few trying to commit as many men, as many bodies in the box as possible. It's a good defending work. Made sure that progress was halted immediately. Head is calm, it's composed. Very comfortable at the back here. Really helps the team when you're back four, comfortable on the ball. They have the short and the long options. Great pass and hold up play again, just to spin off the challenge. Good work to look and advance, and it's calmly done to keep the ball. This is a magnificent move here. Now down the right-hand side, excellent defending. Again, that right-hand side, they immediately decided to quicken up the tempo. Pass was accurate, the movement was excellent. This is a corner kick. Corner comes in, keeper decides to stay. Beats everyone in the end. He'll do well to keep that in, but it's out for a throw-in. Bit of a missed opportunity there. Lovely work to pinch the ball high up the pitch. Going around the outside, ball into the box. There's a chance to make it 3. He's headed it back in front of goal to make it 3-0. Break save, and on the follow-up, and he does. It's third time lucky. And it is KASA FC with Prabin at the far stick and a trusted finish to beat the goalkeeper. Magnificent work. Keep the pressure on. They kept the ball alive. In the panic in the box, they tried to get it away on a couple of occasions. They were patient, tried to fire those balls on target on a couple of occasions. And Prabin, with an assured side foot finish, to beat the keeper to make it 3-0. And the front three have all registered on the score sheet. That will really please the coach. See all his front men get in amongst the goals, and the confidence will be skyrocket. And it's all to do here for Bhuna FC. Here's Momocha, who's been the linchpin in the middle of the park. Really has been the midfield general, leading from the front. It's on a short first touch. Going through the gears, well intercepted, knew exactly where the pass was going. Bhuna FC will need to get a move on here now. Team has gotten away from them. They'll need to find solutions now. Quick pass towards the right-hand side, easily dealt with. As it stands, KASA FC will go top of Group D, to +3 goal difference as well. Now that is a brilliant pass, immediately into his path as well. He's trying to hold off a couple of challenges, good defending, and shields him away from the ball, and the keeper can mop up. Really has been a professional display. They've done the right things at the right moments. Oh, this is brilliant play down the wing, twisting and turning, leaving his defender in knots there. Tries to put the ball across. Good defending. Kushwan reads the danger. Finds his teammate with the pass as well. Good work to hold off the challenge. He's under so much pressure, but he draws the foul. Cross comes again. The defensive line is dealing with the dangers with such ease. No pressure on the ball. Mocha have his time and opportunity to pick his pass. Lovely threaded pass again. The first touch just gets away from him. A lot of nearly moments. Again, the right decisions, the right pass. Just needs to get that first touch a bit more spot on. Here's the second half substitute. Robin on the ball. He replaced Clinton, who was on a yellow card. One of the main reasons. Motoring along in midfield. It's an intelligent pass to Prabin. Responsible for scoring the third. He's traveled a long way with the ball and tried to just lay it off. Not on the same wavelength as his teammate. Lovely pass by Mocha. Now this is space down the right hand side. He finds him immediately. He'll have to do well to keep the ball in play, but he can't do that again. It was an overhit pass at a very crucial moment. Prabin making that run time and again down the right hand side. It's been hard work for the Bhuna FC defenders. They've really been overworked. Here's Ahmed. He's travelled a long way with the ball. Now played into midfield. Lovely chop on his left foot. Again, looks to release a quick pass, but the defenders, just the strength in numbers and just reading the right passes, made it look so easy, but it's all about the teamwork in the defensive line. Can't defend in isolation. They've held the line on many occasions. To spread the prey. Another accurate pass to switch the play now down the left hand side. There's Langbang, goes for the strike from distance, but a couple of bounces straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. Langamba has been quiet in the second half. He was the one who got things up and running in the first half. That's a lovely run here. The keeper decided to come and go. It's a chance there, but couldn't get that on target. A difficult opportunity, but really peeled off the defender. Intelligent manner there's Dish. Not had too many actions in the opposition box. That one a difficult chance, but he did well to bend his run, stay on side and latch onto that. Double substitution being readied. 2-0 up with half an hour still to go. KASA FC, I would say, doing the right thing here, just shuffling the pack, getting on what looks like a couple of attacking substitutions as well. And you see the number 7 and number 11 of the opposition team warm up. You know, there's a lot more firepower. KASA FC can throw. Cross comes into the box. Keeper should be favourite, and he gathers at the front post. The double substitution now will be made. Tangbe and Manichand, two players. Suchandra has been an excellent shift in midfield, will be withdrawn. So will the goal scorer, Langamba, who really worked his socks off up until this point, and he gets a well-deserved break. Final 30 minutes, Langme and Manichand added into this team. a bit more solidity and energy at the final third. Looks for the 1-2. Good touch there. Again, the defending is spot on there. Keeper should be favourite, and he claims that under a bit of pressure, but did very well with short handling. And the distances between the midfield players has really been the story of the success for KASA FC. They've kept the ball with real surety. Ronald looks to spin and put the pass to Prabin, but he can't beat the offside trap there. Nearly moments for KASA FC, and every time they make sure they try and beat the press. Looks so dangerous that time. Substitute Manichand. Again, getting on the same wavelength, that is centre forward. Good 1-2 there, but the defender should be favourite. Played into midfield. Here's Ronald, looks for the switch. Beckham on the charge here on the right hand side. He's bent his run well, waiting for support. Scott Company might go himself here, decides to lay it off to Manichand. Immediately got involved in the thick of things here. Threaded pass down the right hand side. Cross comes in. Chance to make it 4 at the far stick. Another nearly moment. Managed to get that away. (3-0). Bit of a skewed clearance there by the goalkeeper. First touch is heavy. That is an immaculate touch to pluck that away. Good movement here from Mohan. Lays it off. Looks it to get it back. Again, just away from the pass. Here's Manichand. Strong challenge. But second ball breaks for the skipper, who invites his left back forward. This is just smooth movement off the ball here. Magnificent work. Can the ball just squirts away for a goal kick. And in terms of intent and execution, it's almost spot on. KASA FC thoroughly deserved this lead and been the better side. They reaped the rewards on the scoreboard, reflecting that. And it's calmly done defensively. Good work to hold off the ball. It's a clever pass, but again, just so close to try and stitch that final pass. Gangong Singh, constant on in the defensive phases. Good touch on the chest. Hitain allowed to turn. Assessing his options. It's a good intelligent pass, but the defender reads the danger, wins the first and does magnificently well to keep the ball in play. Oh, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Play out the press, lovely little neat triangles. Just bursts past the marker, skips away from the challenge, tries to trick too many, but the cross comes into the box. At the far stick, it's just too much on it. Manichand almost adding the fourth. Goes the long way around. Heavy pass, it's well recovered. I decide to go himself there. And crowded out, and Bhuna FC, chance to counter. The number of yellow shirts flooding back, and they win the ball. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant there from Beckham. Running back full speed. Interception quite comfortably in the end. And it's calm, it's patient, trying to pick this lock once again. Bhuna FC defenders having to shuffle from side to side. Here's Momocha. Had very little issues in the middle of the park. Again, calm, patient play, trying to involve as many white bodies yellow jerseys forward rather. He's done very well to keep the ball in, Beckham, but the touch just gets away. Again, another respite moment for Bhuna FC. Beckham getting a lot more involved going forward. The first half we saw was Japis, who's made those runs from left back, but they've switched their intent from the right hand side this time. Plays to midfield, and this is brilliant. Way they keep the ball. Really good to watch. Now the switch comes. Has he beaten the offside trap? If he has, it's brilliant. Amit has come a long way out and head that away, but the offside flag had been raised. Robin has moved towards the left-hand side with the introduction of Manichand. He was excellent on the right wing. The final 30 minutes now tasked to play down the left-hand side. Makes the underlapping run there, but the ball has been dispossessed. He's managed to stay on side. Heavy touch to try and get away from the defender. Excellent work there. Just hold off the challenge and he'll be out for a goal kick. 3-0, and very little defensive work to do in the second half for KASA FC. They have been on top of their game. Really have reaped the benefits here. A lot of man of the match contenders. When KARBI ANGLONG Morningstar FC took on Keinou FC, we saw the number 8 and skipper Cornelius pull the strings. Majestic performance in their victory against Keinou FC. So far we've seen it's a great bit of work there on the wings. He's done almost well. Hold off the challenge and keep his balance. Again, he took a chance to fling himself at the attacker, and he's fortunate. Touch away from trouble. Plays it on the right hand side. KASA FC having to defend here. Work to get a touch. Excellent work there from Momocha, helping out. His defense gets the crucial interception and allows his team to venture forward once again. Oh, brilliant skill there to burst past the challenge. Completely sold the defender. Pushman doing well. Good feed for a centre half there. And brilliant cross into the box. What a magnificent first touch, but he can't find the second. Just gets away from him. Oh, he just plucked the ball out of the sky. Real ease and very good opportunity there for Bhuna FC. Sensational work there from the centre half. Excellent defending. KASA FC has beaten the offside trap, and the flag just a bit delayed. This is a decisive call, as KASA FC will make another substitution there. Look at that for a first touch from Hitesh. Had no right. Still managed to keep the ball under control, as Torres will replace Rangong Singh, who has been magnificent as the centre forward. He got his goal for his troubles. He'll get the final 20 minutes off here. FC will need to tend to one of the players who's hit the deck there, but it's good to see that he's back on his feet. Into the final 20 minutes here in this Group D clash. As it stands, KASA FC will be going to the top of Group D. And it's early doors, Only Bhuna FC have played 2 games so far. Three 0 with 4 substitutions made by KASA FC head coach. Knows that the game is all but wrapped up. Now is the opportunity. Get the subs from the bench to try and make an impact, but also freshen the team, add a bit more legs and a bit more energy to the final stages here. They're just struggling with the top of his boot. They might have got studs on it. Can be really painful though. To the final phase of this match, KASA FC with a comfortable 3-0 lead. Angamba opening the scoring. Prabin adding the third before between Kangwong Singh's second just before the halftime break. Really gave them the platform to enjoy this second half. Very few opportunities. It's been a real team effort to get them into this comfortable phase here. Crossfield pass, immediately intercepted. First touch getting away from him, but he'll recover that comfortably. Be a bit of a contact injury there. Momucho winning the ball as the two number 22s clashed on the ball there. Bhuna FC, can they find a goal here on the left hand side? Good cross into the box, but it's safely into the hands of the goalkeeper. That is a rare move forward. Again, it's well worked. Every time they have gotten a couple of their passes forward accurately, they've caused a bit of trouble. Passes like that will not help. As we head to the final 15 minutes of the second half. There will be time added on for injuries and stoppages. Of substitutions made by both teams as well. Lovely touch around, inviting the trouble, and that's just magnificent work there by the centre midfielder. And too eager to get the ball forward, and Amit will safely gather. Lifted forward. It's a safe header. Prabin just getting away now, finding himself back on the right wing. Had switched to the left-hand side in the second half, but wasn't really getting involved in the play. Here he is as he looks to just intercept the ball. Great work down the right-hand side. He's been so busy, full of quality and running, and has been a key member of the KASA attack. Here's Momocha. That's been Rolls Royce in midfield. Good work by the centre half, pinching the ball back and now getting Bhuna FC on the move here. Here's Mohan looking for the 1-2. Wonderful work there from the centre half. Just steps in, wins the ball back. Strange giveaway. Mohan getting the ball back. It's a heavy first touch, but he gets it enough away. But defender does excellent work there. Oh, that's very calmly done there from Santon. Inviting the pressure. Short footwork there by the goalkeeper. There's a substitute Dangme. He's on the right hand side. Here's Prabin. He's got a run going forward. Decide to keep it short. This is intricate work. Lovely one-touch play here. Now trying to go around the outside. Chops in on his left foot. Well defended. Had enough support as well to make sure that his progress was halted. It's a delicious switch of play down the right-hand side now. Good defending, immediately closing down spaces. Bhuna FC forced to go back, to go forward. Well intercepted in midfield, and now KASA FC can build. Here's Ronald, looks for a magnificent through pass, and Prabin is just offside. Oh, that was just brilliant play. Back to front, couple of passes. Ronald picked his head up and immediately found his right winger there, Prabin. As soon as he chopped in on his move to the right-hand side, he's dangerous again. That's a bit of an indication to the coach to play games again that Prabin down that right-hand side should just remain there. Just keep playing at that right wing spot. He knows that position well. He's been a constant threat.
বলছে ব্যাটারি কিন্তু বেশি চার্জ নাই বলে দিলাম, পরে বলো না আবার মেলাক্ষণ আগে বল। আমি কিন্তু বোর্ডে
Substitution
লাইন নাই
here for Bhuna FC.
হ্যাঁ, পরে বলবো না যে কিছু জন্য কেমন বন্ধ হলো, আমি বলে দিয়েছি 2-3-4 বার বললাম।
Number 87. Soumyajit will be introduced shortly. Such a play there, but the goalkeeper will be favoured to collect. Into the final phases here. KASA FC with a 2-0 half-time lead, increasing it to 3 courtesy of Prabin, and from there they have been first class on the ball, off the ball as well. Really have put in a complete team performance. They're reaping the benefits. What a pass that is from the keeper. Finds his left back with a lot of space. There's a confirmation of Soumyajit Das entering the fray. Here's Manichand, looks for the 1-2, sides against it. Ronald spreads the ball to the left hand side. He'll do well to keep the ball in. Done magnificently well. The ball comes into the box. Defender should be favoured, and he hacks that clear. Danger still not averted. Couple of step overs. Trying to get a bit of space here. Plays it on the right hand side. Here's Prabin. Here's Momocha with the strike from distance, but it's always sailing over. Had enough power behind it, but it was never really going to trouble Amit from that distance. Again, it was really patient until Mocha found a bit of space to pull the trigger. To the final 10 minutes, the stoppage time. Who goes for an outrageous effort. Tried to catch off the keeper, but it's a good attempt there from number 10, Hitesh. Knew that the keeper would be off his line and try to catch him out. With an outrageous spin and effort from distance. Robin, the centre half, He's had no problem settling in, replacing Clinton at the halftime break. It's been seamless. As James finds his skipper, inviting a couple of challenges forward. He's been so comfortable. It's KASA FC introducing their final substitution. He's bent his run very well. It's Chancel to make it 4. Brilliant. What a finish that is. Magnificent work there by the substitute Dangme, who did so well to stay on side, held off the challenge, and arrows in that effort into the bottom corner to make it 4-0 to KASA FC as they race to the top of Group D. A sensational ball from deep. Immediately brings that under control. It's a first time finish. The weight of the pass was perfect. How about that for a pass and this for a finish? All types of goals being scored here from KASA FC, and they have been a class above. Two goals in the first half, 2 goals now in the second. As Bhuna FC have faced a chastening afternoon here at the KASA Stadium here in Assam. Lovely touch around the corner. This is just brilliant. Sensational work here just to keep the ball. There's Mamocha, who's led his team with real distinction. Prabin, they want more here. Prabin goes around the outside, lays it off centrally. Mamocha is there, waiting for it, but directing traffic. Decided to do himself. There's Mamocha! Oh my goodness me! How about that from the skipper, from distance, to make it 5-0. It is an outrageous finish. The keeper with no chance. And that is the pick of the bunch. Far too much space afforded to him. No one closing him down. Decides to have a pop, and look at this for a finish. It is right into the top corner. Magnificent goal. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It is a goal you can see over and over again. A skipper's goal to complete the route here. It's 5-0. We still have a bit of football still to be played here. Captain's goal. My goodness. Lovely touch around the corner. They're still hungry for more here. Bhuna FC have to be careful. Every time they venture forward, they might just leave spaces for KASA FC to counter-attack. Here's Kushwant. Had a lot of defending to do, Bhuna FC. A lot of occasions they did well to repel the danger, but it has been constant. It has been relentless. Goes for the long switch forward. It's well intercepted. It's into the final 5 minutes of normal time. Lovely touch to bring the ball out. Venturing forward. Again, it's good one-touch play. Here's Prabin. And there is no rush here. Omocha goes for the switch of play. Not catching that well enough, but again the right idea. His decision making has been first class. in that midfield area. When your centre midfielder has a good game, more often than not, your team plays well. Strong challenge there, still the appetite to defend. Strong challenge, winning the foul. Clip pass forward. There's Kushwant. Plays it off forward. A bit of space here. That's excellent defending. Immediately shutting down Hitesh there. Beckham has had an excellent second half. Ball popped forward. Keeper will just watch that sail harmlessly over his crossbar for a goal kick. Here's Robin. Mocha with the first time pass. Beautifully smooth move here. Really popping the ball around with real confidence. And now a magnificent pass forward. There's an opportunity to play that first time. Instead goes back to his winger. Head into midfield. Lovely turn, good balance. Deciding against it. Here's Prabin who'll shift onto his left foot. It's Prabin with the strike. He's always curling wide. Again, back to front and a few passes forward. Excellent work. Just brilliant football. Look at that. Just sets it on his left foot. Looks to just bend that into the top corner. It's the final substitution being made here. Bhuna FC. 44. We'll get the last few minutes here. And well to keep the ball in, but ball just getting caught on the turf. To clear away, clever back heel, but the defender get that quite comfortably in the end. Here's Beckham. The left foot. Good intention there. To win the second ball though. Really accelerating forward, looking for the quick 1-2. Good play there, still managing to keep the ball. Clips pass into the far post and make it 6! Brilliant! That is magnificent team play. And another substitute. Manichan gets on the score sheet after a sweeping team move to make it 6-0 for KASA FC. What a goal this is. It's patient, it's perfect, pinpoint, and what a header. No chance there for Amit, and they make it 6. The two substitutes combining, Tangme with the cross, Manichan with the header. Into the final 30 seconds of normal time. And it has been a chastening afternoon for Bhuna FC. Coming for more here. It's 6-0. They want more. Look at the pace going forward. He's done well to keep the ball in play. Looking for the reverse pass. They managed to clear. And the chance to make it 7! And how about that? It's another side foot finish. And Manichan has 2 goals in 2 minutes. What a second half performance. They have been devastating going forward. And Manichan has made a strong case for starting the next game here. 2 goals off the bench. Decisive in front of goal. Good pick out there. The ball just bobbling around. But when it fell to him, it's a calm side foot finish past the goalkeeper. And it has been a rout. Bhuna FC looking to hang on in the first half, but there are a lot of opportunities for KASA FC to add the third. But in the second half, every time they've motored forward, they have looked so dangerous. They have been punishing on the scoreline here. Another move forward. He's broken the offside trap again. They're coming for more here. He goes for himself. My goodness, he had a couple of opportunities to square the pass. KASA FC have not just won this game, but they've boosted their goal difference. Look at this, Manichan tried to make it a hat trick. Don't really blame him for going for goal. There are 3 minutes of stoppage time signaled. Here's Dangme with a cross into the box. Just over the center. Fast take is done magnificently well to keep it inside. Now has that gone out? Oh, it is margins, it's inches. If that ball stayed in play, it would have been 8. Incredible, absolutely incredible going forward into the final 90 seconds of a totally one-sided game of football here in Group D. They have put everybody on notice. KARBI Anglong Morningstar FC will have one eye on this game. That will be the match everybody has their eyes on in Group D. Been the two standout teams so far. Centre forward play. Doesn't win the first ball, but they win the second, and that's been a constant feature. He's let loose on the left-hand side. He has a couple of options in the box to make it 8, and his outstretched finish. And he gets that on target, and he beats the keeper. It's another substitute who gets on the score sheet. This time it's Torres. They have been playing the second half with brutal efficiency. How about this? He picks his head up. Look at this. Cuts it across. Might have taken a deflection there. It was on target, and that was enough to beat the goalkeeper from close range. I think the last touch has come off Manichan there. Now whether or not it will be given to him, all the plaudits will go to Torres, who made his way into the box to make it 8-0. And the referee blows the full-time whistle. What a performance this has been from KASA FC. They have laid down the marker here in Group D. 2 goals in the first half. First from Langamba, who got things up and running, and Gangong Ronald Singh to make it 2. And in the second half, with Prabin opening the scoring in the second half to make it 3. Then the substitutes combining to add a bunch of goals, and the pick of the bunch from the skipper Momocha. What a goal he had. Get that right in the top corner to make it 5-0, and from there it was all the substitutes who piled it on. It's full time here at the KASA Stadium in Diphu, Assam. It's Keinou Library and Sports Association 8, Bhuna Football Club 0. To bring you the statistics of this match, and every metric will be in favor of KASA FC. They have been magnificent from back to front, a complete team performance, and it's back to the drawing board for Bhuna Football Club with 1 point in 2 games. Here's the match summary. Once again, all the plaudits will go to the attackers, and rightfully so. But not allowing a single shot on target is an achievement in itself. Possessions, shots on targets, corners, all in favor of Keinou Library Sports Association. It's full time here. KASA FC 8, Bhuna FC 0.
fulfillment of their dreams and for the inspiration of the people of KARBI ANGLONG. It is creation of autonomous state, long-standing demand. We need autonomous state under Article 244 of the
Ba TV na tung ke soke ta ke tang thulu pujo.
Nang ka cai ka ni pala chi sik pomot.
Ni hai ki bai adung along Boteng duk nang hang dung kong Boteng duk kali lobon Sami jor panang ke tong Piringa sengkang Kemir juni Nang farman doang kami Sirai Tala lagu Tak pernah dikau Tala Munit kya beta Oh Sami o Arnika Nang sang mana thene ke Inda chota nang ke Richo pi benji de Pini arni lo kanghon Itum ka chipa chorelo Sengkan inkoira Troxi artaan nang lilunon
The defenders. That's a good cross.